Hi, welcome back to my channel. Here's another new code. Watch out and take care.
The beautiful Machi Okuno. Code NSFS 440. Released on December 23, 2025. And it has 126 minutes watch time. The story is about female boss and the old guy. His company went bankrupt. The old guy was unemployed for years and the old guy eats unhealthy foods. One day, he saw an ads who needed some knowledge on his field. So the next day, he went to apply and got hired. Apparently, the days goes by, the old guy cannot tolerate the girl bad behavior. So the old guy hand over his resignation letter. However, the girl does not want the old guy to quit the company. So that night, the girl invited the old guy at a restaurant. They had a dinner. Afterwards, they had a couple of drinks. They got drunk. So later on, things went out of control. They went to a room. They spent quality time together. And the wonderful story began.
Make sure to subscribe and like and turn on notification for new codes. Thank you for watching.